Imagine a world where your team's best ideas don't get trapped in a flat presentation slide or a forgotten text document. OpenAI is completely changing the way we collaborate with the launch of Sites in Codex, a revolutionary feature that allows anyone on your team to turn a simple concept into a secure, fully functional application in just a matter of minutes. By leveraging the power of Codex plugins and skills, you can instantly pull in live context, critical analysis, and trusted data from the tools your team already uses every single day. There's absolutely no need to worry about the traditional bottlenecks of software development. Sites provides robust hosting, secure user authentication, storage, and database support entirely out of the box, straight from your conversational workspace. The beauty of this system lies in its effortless iteration, allowing you to continually refine, tweak, and upgrade your custom mini apps entirely through natural conversation, without ever setting up infrastructure or writing a single line of deployment code. Think about the massive upgrade this brings to your daily workflows. Instead of standard meeting notes, your account management team can open a dedicated Account Lens app before a major executive business review, instantly flashing customer contacts, approved talking points, and clear interactive charts of financial metrics. If you're organizing an upcoming external event or an energy summit, you can replace messy email chains with a unified event hub that houses the complete agenda, attendee lists, approved messaging, and a before-you-go plan, ensuring everyone walks in completely synchronized. The possibilities stretch as far as your team's imagination. Whether you need to build an executive investment memo that centralizes budgets and risk analysis, a forecasting dashboard, an onboarding hub, or a deeply interactive data story. Because these sites are built to be treated just like secure workspace assets, sharing them is incredibly intuitive. You can restrict access to specific team members or publish them to your entire organization, where viewers can instantly log in using their existing ChatGPT accounts. From a trusted piece of text to a powerful internal application your team can actually interact with, that is the power of Sites in Codex, and it is ready to transform how you move work forward.